First we're going to draw the heart. We're using pencil for this part because we're going to rub some of these lines out later. Start by drawing 2 diagonal lines to make a V shape. Try and make the lines around about the same size. Once we've got the V, it's time to draw the top part of the heart. To make it a little easier, we've marked the center with a little dot. From there, we drew our curved line that goes between the center and the top of the diagonal V that we already made. Here's the finished outline of the heart in pencil. Now we're going to draw a ribbon that goes right across the front of the heart. We started by drawing a long curved line that went all the way across the heart. Next we drew another curved line, just like the first one, but underneath it. These 2 lines are the top and the bottom of our ribbon. Then we squared off the ends with a short line, joining the 2 long lines we just made. Now we added a diagonal line going from the bottom corner of the ribbon down behind the heart. This is the part of the ribbon that folds behind the heart. Now underneath the sides of the ribbon, we drew some short lines coming out to form the end of the ribbon. This next line should go out a little bit past the top ribbon that we already drew. So draw a line going out and then you do your diagonal line going upwards. So 1 line inwards, 1 line outwards, and then you draw a short line going back to form the end of the ribbon. Then we did the same thing on the other side. It's a little bit easier to see me doing it on this side as well. So a long line coming out the side, then some diagonal lines going upwards. So 1 in, then 1 out, and then we join it back to the ribbon. Now that our heart and ribbon were drawn, we got an eraser and we rubbed out the line there from the heart that overlaps the ribbon. And now we just outlined it with a black marker. So go around all the lines to make them nice and clear. Here's the finished outline version of the heart with the ribbon around it. 4th Nephi chapter 1 verse 15. And it came to pass that there was no contention in the land because of the love of God which did dwell in the hearts of the people. Activity idea 1. Write on your ribbon something that you love that brings you closer to other people. Here, me and Lena decided to write something on our ribbon. I wrote the love of God, and Lena wrote her name. Now time for the part my kids love the most. Now it's time to color. Here are the finished artworks, the heart with the ribbon around it. Thanks for joining us on Follow Me Draw. For more drawing videos and activities based on Come Follow Me, subscribe to Follow Me Draw.